afternoon, everyone. Excuse my croaky voice. I've been talking all day about the benefits of our product, and by doing so, have lost my voice in the process. So, I'm Alan Archer, and I'm the Managing Director of Alert Technology. The discovery of asbestos-containing materials can cause major delays or stoppages to building insulation upgrades, conservation works, and during the replacement of inefficient boilers, plant, and equipment. Air quality problems also occur when asbestos is disturbed, releasing deadly fibers into the air. Asbestos has been around for centuries and been used in thousands of applications worldwide. It's a Category 1 carcinogen, and the World Health Organization has said that over 100,000 people per year die through occupational exposure. Having worked in construction myself and been exposed, I'm very conscious of its presence, and I've lost friends due to dying from mesothelioma and other lung conditions. I'd be surprised if anyone here actually hasn't had some experience with asbestos or its consequences. The challenge my business undertook was how to quickly identify airborne asbestos. That's when it's most dangerous. So it was vital that we were able to develop a real-time warning device so there is no safe exposure to asbestos. You can't see it, you can't smell it, and you can't taste it. Despite substantial technical challenges, we invested £2 million and have developed Alert, the world's first truly portable device that can reliably identify and alarm the presence of asbestos in real time. Currently, if asbestos is suspected, air samples must be taken and sent off to authorized laboratories. Fibers are put under an electron microscope and then physically counted. The results are made known hours or days later when, of course, it's too late. You must act quickly or work can be stopped and delays caused. Alert can distinguish between asbestos and non-asbestos fibers in the air by measuring both laser light scattering and magnetic properties of individual respiratory particles. Alert will set the way in which the world addresses asbestos in the future. Like a smoke alarm, it has been designed to be the first line of defense, reverting then to conventional identification and removal methods. Alert's award-winning disruptive technology is groundbreaking, unique, and protected. We hold 2 UK patents and other IP protections, providing a complete freedom to operate, and currently there are no direct competitors. The original science came from the University of Hertfordshire and a commercial drive from the select group of companies. Half the world has banned asbestos, leaving a massive hidden legacy. The other half still use it. The facts are undisputable. Asbestos will not go away for decades, and the scale is huge. To date, the insurance industry sector has had to pay £100 billion in compensations. The NHS spends £40 million a year just on asbestos-related treatments, but the real cost to the environment, occupational health, and the world's economy cannot be calculated. Our business model has used a very comprehensive sales projection based only on 2 sectors, the EU construction trades and the asbestos removal sector. We have direct channels in both of these currently. There are over 30 different known industry sectors worldwide affected by asbestos. Currently, We have over 900 expressions of interest, and we are currently selecting 20 high-profile companies to work with this year. Our team is extremely passionate and dedicated. We have experts in science, finance, manufacturing, marketing, and commercialization now on board. Currently, there are 3 model variations in development, and others will follow. The Alert Pro is a downloadable device and is at TR7 readiness. Limited production starts in Q3 this year. After qualifying for 1.5 million grant from Europe and securing £500,000 from the Select Group, we achieved 100% success rate in back-to-back field testing, which was validated under the EU FP7 program. Alert Technology was spun out of the Select Group in January of this year and successfully raised £700,000 in its first round. Our current syndicate includes an institutional investor, the directors, and a growing group of enthusiastic private investors. Our business plan has undergone 4 levels of due diligence, and we are very confident in its robustness. Revenues will be generated through product sales, service, and related consumables, and will conservatively grow from 500K in year 1 to 15 million in year 5. Profitability occurs in year 2. Our ask is to raise £1 million. 750,000 is now in place, and we need to top up through our current offering. Do you believe I'm one slide behind? No, I'm not. So our current offering is going live next week through Syndicate Room. We have EIS Advanced Assurance for UK taxpayers, and Loretta King and myself will be here to answer any questions you have afterwards. This, I guess, to wrap up, is a very prestigious location and no stranger to world-class ideas, and I'm happy to introduce Alert, great British science and great British innovations. Thank you.